Okay, I'm back with the repair attempt for 2007 to 2013 Acura MDX. Water leaking into the rear trunk area. In the last video, we attempted to diagnose where the water was leaking in from. Just a quick recap. This grommet was a leak point. Once that was repaired, another leak point was some more leak points were found. Just a recap on the last video. It's the water leak diagnosis video. This is the repair attempt video. And just go over what we used here. So we used the Dynaflex Ultra by DAP. A lot of people use it for sealing windshield leaks. So I had it left over from a previous project, maybe like 3 months ago. And you just tape up the end and it stays good for quite a while. It dries in about an hour. It doesn't fully cure for several days, but it actually dries in about an hour. So to recap, we went ahead and sealed about 3 inches of this gutter towards the end here. There was some cracking along the seam sealer in that gutter, and we sealed all the old seam sealer just towards the top. As you can see, around this trunk latch, or sorry, trunk hinge, old seams that were deteriorating. This is a common leak point, so I went ahead and sealed it around this grommet. I sealed around these holes where the plastic trim piece goes. And we went ahead and did that on both sides. So again, this is a repair attempt. And hopefully it fixes the problem. These cars, they tend to leak a lot. I think the seam sealer they used from the factory, which looks like this, it's like a white. Either it wasn't prepped properly, or it wasn't applied properly, or it's just bad quality seam sealer. I had a Honda that was 30 years old that didn't have this many leaks, so hopefully this fixes the rear leak, which was causing all sorts of issues. The trunk wasn't opening, the gas door wasn't opening, because it destroyed this fuse box in the back. I had to replace that, and hopefully this leak fixes the puddling that's been going on here in the back trunk area. And I'm also having a leak in this front area. I got a towel absorbing. It rained about, I don't know, almost an inch the past couple of days, and it absolutely drenched this front area, which I previously dried. So next up is to diagnose this front leak. If anyone knows, let me know. But apparently under this front cowl area there is water that accumulates and drains down, and I'm wondering, is some people seal up that area, but if anyone knows, if anyone has any tips, let me know.